Former Kaizer Chiefs and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Itumeleng Khune has expressed concern over Ronwen Williams' approach during Mamelodi Sundowns' 1-0 win against Esperance in the CAF Champions League quarter-final first leg at Loftus Stadium on Tuesday. Khune believes Williams, Sundowns captain and first-choice goalkeeper for the national team, was too passive in managing the game, seemingly content with the slim victory. He warned that this approach could be risky as Sundowns head into the return leg in Tunisia on April 8. Speaking to SABC Sport, Khune contrasted Williams' actions with those of Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso, who was urging his players to push for a second goal, and said, "What I liked about the coach is that in the second half, he was pushing his players to go and get the second goal. But then you see the Bafana Bafana number 1, Williams, juggling the ball, so now you have two people, the coach and the captain, doing the opposite." Khune questioned the message such an approach sends to the rest of the team, and said if your captain is relaxed, then the rest of the team might follow suit. They need to be cautious about that moving forward. The veteran goalkeeper also highlighted the dangers of carrying a narrow 1-0 lead into an away fixture, particularly in challenging conditions, and said a 1-goal advantage is the most dangerous scoreline in football. Playing in Tunisia will not be easy. First, there's the travel, then there's the unfamiliar conditions and even the food they will have to eat. Khune also echoed concerns raised by Cardoso about the challenges South African teams face when competing in continental tournaments, particularly regarding fixture congestion, and said Sundowns played on Friday, then today, Tuesday, and again next week. It's too much. They will have to travel to Tunisia, and it's not going to be easy. With the second leg looming, Sundowns will have to balance caution with ambition as they seek to secure a spot in the semifinals of Africa's Premier Club competition. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.